konting chika muna before my morning run. Yung sister ko, she's been helping me a lot sa content creation lately. As in, bumabiyahe siya from Angono to QC para lang tulungan ako. Ganun din naman si Panda Ops ever since. Kaso sobrang busy niya ngayon. So, I wanna surprise them! Sakto, nag-grocery ako kahapon and nakita ko si Hershey's Kisses Big Pack is on sale. Si Jelly, yung sister ko, mahilig sa milk chocolate, and si Panda Hubs nahihilig ngayon sa chocolate and almonds. Very supportive nila sa akin, and I'm very, very grateful.
At dahil dyan, I want to do something for them, lalo na it's the season of giving. Sakto, may conference kaming a-attendan today. Yes! Okay, let's buy Hershey's Kisses Big Pack milk chocolate for sister and milk chocolate with almonds for Panda Hubs.